Hi students, welcome back to my class. Last video we studied about food crops other than grains. In this video I am going to explain non-food crops. Okay? Today's thought. Beautiful things happen when you distance yourselves from negativity. Okay, let's start our class, today's class. First we are studying about rubber. So almost we know the some rubbers, how it is coming from, where coming it is. Okay, first points. Rubber is an equatorial crops but growing in tropical and subtropical. So rubber we can see in growing of which place means in the globe. It is growing in near the equatorial areas. Not only equatorial areas, near the tropical and subtropical we can see in this. Tropical and subtropical area also we can grow the rubber. Second point. It requires moist and humid climate. So when is growing rubber, it required moist and humid climate. Next is rainfall. How much rain need for the rubber growing? More than 200 centimeter need for the growing of rubber. Next, what is the temperature of growing rubber? Above 25 degrees Celsius need temperature. It is an important industrial raw material. So, rubber also it is a very important for the industrial of the raw material for making the some other things. So, where it is growing, which region we can see the growing of rubber? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and Garo Hills of Meghalaya. So, in these places, in this region, we can see growing of rubber. Next point. In 2012 and 13, India ranked 4th among the world's natural rubber producers. So, in the world, we are in 4th rank in 2012 and 13. So, growing of rubber. We are in a 4th rank. Okay. Next is the fiber crops. So there are, we can see in this chapter, in this para, there are, we can see major crops, major fiber crops we can see there, cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk. So in these four are very important. This is a major crop of fiber crops. So in this four, cotton, jute and hemp, these first three are the derived from the crop growing in the soil, means cotton, jute and hemp, where it's growing by the soil, using the soil and growing of the cotton, jute and hemp. But when you are going to produce the natural silk, what they need? It is from the cocoons of the silkworm fed on the green leaves in the mulberry tree we can get. In this mulberry they are getting of the fruit, no? That fruit leaves they are keeping of this cocoons on the these cocoons, okay, in this that cocoons are sitting on these leaves and preparing the silkworms. It is from the cocoons of the silkworms we are getting. It is naturally we are getting. It is not by the soil. It is not by the derived from the soil. Okay, it is by the cocoons. It is okay, by the mulberry leaves. Rearing of the silkworm from the productions of silk fiber, it is known as a sericulture. Okay, it is the name of the, what is means sericulture means. If it is coming 1 marks question, please you have to answer and you have to keep it in mind very carefully. So once again I am reading here. Rearing of silkworm for production of silk fiber is known as a sericulture. Already last class studied about, we are studying about horticulture and physiculture. So many in 9th standard I told. So like that other agriculture we can see, but it is a silkworm. It is producing by the silk fiber. It is known as a sericulture. Okay, this is you have to keep in mind one answer. Okay, next going to here third point, cotton. Okay, cotton. So here given very easy it is. Cotton already we are seeing in this always. Okay, so cotton, home of the cotton plant. So in India it is calling home of the cotton plant. Why? Because in the India believed to be the original home of cotton plant, because it is having good quality of cotton we are getting, and we are having good original, so it is, that's why cotton is very good in India. That's the reason they call it home of the cotton plant. Second point, raw materials for the cotton textile industry. So when they are having this cotton, we are see the so many dresses are there, shirts, chuddaras, some saris. It is by the cotton. So it is we can see textile industry by the cotton raw materials. In 2014, India was the second largest producer of cotton. Okay, in the 2014, after China, we are in second in 2014. Growing of cotton is a very good answer, because we are in second place growing of cotton in 2014. Grows well in the dried parts of the black soil, Deccan Plateau. So black soil, where it is growing this cotton, it's in special in this need for the need black soil growing of cotton, especially Deccan Plateau. We can see the black soil, and we can see the cotton growth of in the Deccan Plateau. Then they requires high temperature. So what they need for this cotton? It requires a high temperature and light rainfall or some irrigation they need for the growth of cotton. It is kharif crop. So cotton is one of the kharif crop, and it requires 6 to 8 months to mature. How much they need? Minimum 6 to 8 months we have to wait for the cotton growing. It's a need for the 8 months, 6 to 8 months to mature. Producing states. So where we can see which states are growing cotton? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So in this region we can see the growth of cotton. Next, jute. Last point is there. Very important it is. Okay, so jute is already we know it is if one of mass question is coming, which is known as golden fiber, means you have to answer. So jute is known as a golden fiber. It is called a golden fiber. It grows well on well drained fertile soil in the flood plains where soil are renewed every year. So where is a good soil and where is a fertile soil and where is a well drained place. So in this place this jute are growing, especially every year it is a renewed of the soil. They have to renew, so they have to prepare good quality of the soil. In that they growing the jute. Okay, it's jute is need a high temperature and requires a growing time. So when they growing jute, they need compulsory very high temperature. Then which states is growing jute? It is West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya. So in this region we can see the growth of jute. Okay, and next it is used, what the use of this jute? We can prepare the gunny bags, mat, ropes and carpets and other art effect we can prepare by the jute. Okay, and this is there. So this is about I explained here. 4 points is there. Come here. I explained rubber, fiber crops in this cotton and jute. So there are we studied about in this. And one more thing, page number 42, you open page number 42 in your textbook. There is one activity. List the items which are made of rubber and are used by us. That you have to write on notebook. It is homework. What you have to write? You have to make list items of the made by the rubber and they are used by us, means by we are using rubber where and which material for what we are using. That you have to write answer on your notebook. It is your marks, also you are getting internal marks. Please write your homework compulsory. Okay, if you anything doubt you have to ask on my comment. Yes. Before ending video I will give some questions. It is came the old question paper again. You take your notebook. You pause the video. When I am telling, you have to write on your notebook and try to answer. Okay. Now first question I am reading. Please take your notebook and write on in the notebook. Okay. First question I am reading. Please try to write fast. Okay, first question I'm reading here. Which state is the leading producer of rubber in India? Already I told in rubber also here. Already I told here which is a place here and which way the growing, what is the temperature, all things I told here. All things here I told where it is. So please, first question is the given. It is 1 mark question. Which state is the leading producer of rubber in India? It's in came exam 2016 and 15 CBSE syllabus. It is CBSE exam time 16 and 15 year. It is came what states of rubber. Okay, next question. What is the known as golden fiber? Now only finished it is. Already I told here. What is known as a golden fiber? One mark question. Again this continue question. Okay, it's one. Where it is grown in India. So which place it is growing? So you have to see your answers. Okay. So which place is growing? No, it is answer you have to write which place is growing. And one more question. And why? Describe why it is growing. That again third question. And fourth question. Describe various uses of this fiber. Okay, please again I am reading last question. It is something confusion. Don't make confusion. This question, this is 5 marks question, last question. In this given 4 question, 4 means 4 steps are given. First they are given what is known as golden fiber, where is grown in India and why it is growing, and describe various uses of this fiber. Okay, there are 4 questions. So that is 5 marks question is there. You have to write all points, you have to include and write the proper answer. If any doubt, ask questions on comment box. Thank you.